So over here you can see that I have a bunch of tasks, and what you can do over here is you can filter out these tasks by group as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the view tab on the top, and here you can see that group by is an option. If you were to go around over here and expand this, then you get the different options for grouping out the tasks right here. For example, you can group it as active and inactive, and you'll see the tasks which are active right here, and you can go around and minimize and expand this out as well. Collapse or expand, whatever you may want to call it. So over here you can see that right now it's based on active and inactive tasks right here. Then you can go around and then select out auto scheduled and manually scheduled tasks right here. You can divide out the groups as per that as well, and so forth. You can see that there's completed, and then there's incompleted tasks, there's constraint type as you can see right here, there's critical task, yes and no as you can see right here, there's duration, task based on duration like 0, 6, and then there's like 10, 11 and so forth as you can see. Another thing that you can do while you're working around with the task is you can go around onto any one of the columns right here and expand this, and then you can go around onto group by and then change around the value from duration to weeks as well, so that everything shows up in weeks as you can see, just like this as well. So if I were to go around onto duration then priority, then you can see that there's double groups assigned to it as well. Then there's milestones, tasks based on milestones right here, priority and so forth, right? Priority keeping outline structure, and then there's resources, and there's the status right here, and that is how you can go around and filter out these groups right here. And you can go around over here and group by date, months, weeks, and even quarters as you can see, just like this. And if you want to remove out the group, then all you need to do is go around over here and then click on clear group, just like this. And that is how you can filter out tasks by group inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.